You want the best waterproof backpack for your needs, but there are so many out there. What you need to consider is whether you're looking for a 100% waterproof backpack or a water-resistant backpack. There are different advantages and disadvantages to the two. Whereas a water-resistant backpack, hence the name, will only keep some water out. These work well in the rain, but that's it. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 waterproof backpack on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Marchway Floating Dry Waterproof Bag. Lightweight and durable waterproof backpack that is mainly designed for hiking purposes. Then search no more because the Marchway Floating Dry Waterproof Bag is the perfect pick for you. It is built from high-quality materials that ensure a long-lasting experience. It also has incredible waterproof protection that will protect your stuff from moisture and even drenching. It comes in 5 different sizes and has 12 different color options. Depending on the size you choose, you to define your comfort. 5 liters and 10 liters options are with a single shoulder strap. While the 20 liters, 30 liters, and 40 liters options come with double shoulder straps that bring extra support when you are carrying the bag. Overall, this is one-of-a-kind waterproof backpack that is lightweight and simple to use. It provides additional comfort so you can use it for more extended periods. The bag is best suitable for travel and hiking trips because of its waterproof system that protects your stuff from any water damage. This product has a 4.7 out of 5.0 stars review and could be counted as one of the best picks on the market in its price range. Number 2. VenturePal Backpack. Fit for both outdoor adventures and everyday use, the VenturePal Backpack is roomy, lightweight, and best of all, it only costs $20. Aside from being one of the most lightweight backpacks on the market, weighing just 0.7 pounds, it's one of the most compact packs as well. You can easily fold it into the included zipped pouch for storage, which makes it ideal for traveling. It features 1 large compartment, 2 zipped front pockets for small items, and 2 side pockets for your water bottle. Also, a double layer bottom for extra strength, adjustable and breathable mesh shoulder straps with sponge padding for comfort, and a chest strap with a whistle buckle to lock it in place securely. Number 3. ZOMIC. If you want a waterproof backpack featuring an ultra-lightweight design, you can't go wrong with the ZOMIC Backpack. What makes this backpack actually stand out is its multi-purpose design. You can use it during trekking, hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. The uniqueness of the ZOMIC Backpack stems from its versatile design. The bag features 1 main compartment, 2 zipped front pockets, 2 side pockets as well as external attachment points. Another essential feature to keep in mind is the backpack's longevity. It's built from high-quality materials, ensuring it will last longer than the average bags. As a final, you can get a full money-back guarantee if you state in 24 hours that this backpack doesn't fit your needs. Yet, this would almost be impossible. All in all, the ZOMIC Backpack is definitely ranked high among its competitors. It's lightweight, versatile, durable, and it looks good. This bag is worth every penny. Number 4. Fungdong. If you are searching for a breathable backpack that also features quite a large capacity, then you can't go wrong by picking the Fungdong bag. Due to its breathable mesh design, the pack becomes suitable for kinds of outdoor activities. Moreover, it's exceptionally lightweight. Due to the mesh design shoulder straps that feature extra padding, the bag becomes actually very convenient. Storage definitely wouldn't be a problem for you. That's because the bag is designed with 1 large compartment and several small pockets where you can keep your stuff organized. The uniqueness of this backpack stems from its reliable waterproof system that repels water successfully. On top of that, the bag is built from high-quality materials to ensure longevity. All in all, this backpack is unmatched in features and will definitely make your outdoor journey comfortable. It's lightweight so you can carry it wherever you go. Moreover, it's highly breathable. Therefore, it can be used during multiple outdoor sports. Number 5. Earthpack Waterproof Backpack. You are looking for the best hiking backpack in this price range that can withstand one of the harshest weather conditions? Look no further, because the Earthpack 35 liters/55 liters heavy-duty roll-top waterproof backpack is in front of your eyes, and we will bring you the protection and safety to your stuff that no other backpack can offer. It comes in 2 sizes, 35 liters/55 liters depending on your preference. Overall, this is a fantastic waterproof backpack that does a fantastic job in keeping your stuff away from a drenching.
It is completely covered with waterproof systems and provides extra comfort so you can use it anytime and anywhere. The product is given 4.8 out of 5.0 stars product review and is one of the best hiking waterproof backpacks on the market right now. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.